Have you ever felt overwhelmed because you said yes to too many things? Here's a surprising fact. Studies show that people who struggle to say no are more likely to experience stress, burnout, and even depression. Saying no isn't selfish, it's strategic. Every time you say yes to something that doesn't align with your goals, you're saying no to your own growth. I learned this the hard way. I once said yes to every opportunity, thinking it would lead to success. Instead, I ended up exhausted, distracted, and far from my purpose. The real power of no is that it creates space for what truly matters. It's not about shutting people out. It's about showing up fully for yourself and the things that align with your purpose. Every no to distraction is a yes to your potential. Growth happens when you protect your energy and focus on what matters. What's one thing you need to say no to today? Practice saying no with kindness. Thank you, but I'm focusing on something important right now. Your growth depends on your boundaries. It's time to work on your purpose.